Hi everyone, my name is Jay Murphy from Trionia, and today we're going to walk through how you can actually use the Google Analytics debugger to test your event tracking in Google Analytics. So to begin with, we've got a couple pages already open here. We've got our blog entry here, and we also have our debugger window open over here. So in our debugger window, it's using the Chrome developer console. And when you go to console and you turn on the debugger, which you'll see if you go to our GA Debugger intro video and blog page, you'll see the output here. So in here, we've got uh, information about what's being run in the background. So we can see a few different things are turned on and required, and then eventually we send our page view right here. Okay, so that's where the page view gets sent to Google Analytics. And then this is the beacon here. This is the actual query string that's sent to Google Analytics. And then our GA debugger does exactly what we want it to do. It breaks it into pieces that we can see here. So right here we see this is our page view, and so we know things are working pretty well. We can make sure that our UA code is correct and our title and any other data that we want to make sure is getting sent back correctly, we can see right here in the GA debugger. Now this video, we want to learn are our event tracking components working correctly? And we're going to look at two things. We're going to look at outbound events, and we're also going to look at video events. So let's first go to our outbound events. In here, we have an outbound event that goes out to this website, the regex1. It's a nice website for learning how to build regular expressions. We're going to click on this and then check to see that our event data is sent back correctly. So I'm going to hit Control click so it'll open in another tab, and then I'll scroll down to the bottom of our window and let's see what event information was sent back. So in here, if we look at just the kind of commands that have been run for Google Analytics, we can actually see that our GA send event happened here. We're running it from GTM in this particular case, and it's an event. The category is outbound, the action is link, and the event label is regex1. And we can see that down here as well. So the GA debugger has broken it apart into those three components. So we see the category is outbound, our action is link, and our label is the URL that we clicked on, regex1. And right here we can see our event type is an event as well. Okay, so easy enough. Let's also take a look at what, say, YouTube tracking would look like if we have events turned on for that as well. So we'll go here to another tab where we've got our YouTube events turned on. We'll open up our debug window, and let's just move it so we can see it more clearly. And so here we go. So let's check to see that our video tracking is working correctly. So we've got our video here. We click on that, and we'll mute that. And here we go. We see that our video started. So again, the GA debugger has broken apart the query string into useful and easy to see information. So our hit type again is an event. Our category is video. Our action is start. And our event label actually has the title of the video as well as the URL of our video as well. Okay, and so notice while I was talking, another event got fired. We actually fire events on, in this case, play, and also percentages through the video. So again, we see hit type is event, category video, 25% for our action, and again, the same label. So this is really nice. We can actually see that this is working correctly, And if we wanted to, we could go back and in Google Analytics, we can actually look at this data now and see that how many people are watching this video and how far they are going through the video. Okay, so that's a quick intro to using the GA debugger for testing your events and seeing that the correct values are sent back. Definitely would love to hear from you, and if you've got any other video ideas and blog ideas, we're looking forward to those as well. Thanks. Bye.